The Shiba Inu whale alert just gave some disturbing info. Hundreds of billions were wiped out. Donald Trump makes arguably the historic event in the entire crypto history. Everyone is holding their breath right now. The fate of crypto space might decide tonight. This is an urgent video you cannot afford to miss. So, without further ado, let's get straight to the point. Disclaimer. Today, something unsettling has come to light. Why, you ask? Well, there may be trouble brewing for Shiba Inu. We've noticed a significant drop in its large transaction volume. On-chain data shows that Whale's Shiba transaction volume has plummeted below 500 billion in the last 24 hours and is now sitting at just a little over 365 billion. This decline could spell significant liquidity issues and even a potential price reversal in the near future. To make matters worse, the number of large transactions has also dropped to a 7-day low. Only 15 transactions were recorded, a stark contrast to the 7-day high of 75 transactions we saw last week. This dip in large transactions is a red flag. Large transactions typically indicate whale activity, which can heavily influence the market. A decrease in these transactions suggests that big players are pulling back, possibly due to a lack of confidence or a shift in market sentiment. This kind of change can lead to reduced liquidity, making it harder to buy or sell large amounts of Shiba without impacting the price. If this trend continues, we might see a further decline in Shiba's price, affecting the overall market dynamics. Additionally, price charts reveal that Shiba's price action has formed a descending wedge pattern, signaling potential challenges ahead. This pattern often suggests the potential for volatility and, in many cases, a bullish breakout if the price breaks above the upper trend line. However, Shiba's current situation paints a more complicated picture. The price has been consolidating and struggling to rise above key moving averages, which act as resistance levels. In this uncertain landscape, many believe that the entire market is essentially waiting for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is getting very close to its previous all-time high, and many think that until Bitcoin breaks this high, we won't see any major movements in the market. So, what does this mean for Shiba Inu? If Bitcoin manages to push past its all-time high, it could create a wave of optimism and buying throughout the crypto market. This surge could potentially lift Shiba out of its current slump and trigger positive price movement. However, if Bitcoin struggles to break through or experiences a significant correction, we may continue to see pressure on Shiba's price. It is believed that the next few days are crucial. If Bitcoin shows strength and moves past its previous high, we could expect a bullish breakout for Shiba Inu, especially if it manages to climb above its key moving averages. On the flip side, if Bitcoin falters, Shiba might continue its downward trend, trading close to the lower bound of its descending wedge. Investors should keep a close eye on Bitcoin's performance, as it will likely set the tone for Shiba and the broader market in the near term. Adding to this excitement, just yesterday, a significant Bitcoin conference took place with none other than Donald Trump as a speaker. This is exactly what we needed. One excited user on X posted, "Bitcoin, all stars aligned." A buy signal has just appeared on the weekly time frame. Very significant. What a time to be alive. This enthusiasm highlights the impact the conference had on Bitcoin's market price and its overall movement. The presence of high-profile figures and the buzz around such events can drive market sentiment, pushing prices up and creating a bullish atmosphere. Looking ahead, if this positive sentiment continues, we could see Bitcoin breaking through its previous all-time high and setting new records. This would likely have a ripple effect on the entire crypto market, including Shiba Inu. However, the crypto market is notoriously volatile, and while the current indicators are promising, it's crucial to stay cautious and watch how the situation unfolds in the coming weeks. With this optimistic outlook for Bitcoin, it's important to remember the strong correlation between Shiba Inu and Bitcoin's price. When Bitcoin makes significant moves, it often sets the tone for the entire crypto market, including Shiba Inu. So, as we watch Bitcoin potentially break its all-time high and generate positive momentum, this could very well lift Shiba Inu out of its current slump and trigger a bullish run for Shiba. With that in mind, what can we expect next? A user on X has shared some intriguing observations about Bitcoin's recent performance. They highlighted how Bitcoin's price and market sentiment shifted during and after Trump's talk. Initially, the price hovered around $67,000 with a bearish outlook, but it surged to $69,000, creating an euphoric atmosphere. However, when it retraced back down, the bearish sentiment returned. This illustrates how closely price movements can affect people's confidence. The user emphasized that while the narrative matters, it's the price that drives sentiment. They suggested that it takes time for traditional finance flows to adjust to news like this, which means we should give it time to unfold. This perspective is particularly relevant for Shiba Inu. Just like Bitcoin, Shiba's price and sentiment can be heavily influenced by market trends and events. If Bitcoin experiences a bullish momentum, it could translate into renewed interest and confidence in Shiba Inu, potentially lifting its price. Moreover, the user hinted at a stable environment with little chance of negative headlines from the current administration, which might provide a protective shield for crypto as a whole. If Bitcoin performs well, Shiba Inu could benefit by riding the wave of positive sentiment. And with everything we've seen, it really might seem true that a huge rally could be on the horizon. Recently, Shiba Inu has faced a decline, dropping over 3% in the past week and more than 4% over the last 2 weeks. However, some analysts are predicting a possible trend reversal. A chartist on X pointed out that Shiba has been trading within a descending channel since early April, marked by lower highs and lower lows, which indicates a bearish trend. He identified a strong support zone around 4010 and a resistance zone at 4045. What's important here is that Shiba is approaching the descending support line, which has historically led to price bounces. This could suggest that Shiba is at a critical point, where a rebound might be imminent, giving hope for a bullish turn in the near future. This analysis suggests that if Shiba can break above the 50-day moving average and the descending resistance line, it could trigger a significant rally toward the 4038 target. Hitting that target would mean an impressive increase of around 120% from Shiba's current trading price. This potential surge is exciting for investors, as it highlights the possibility of a strong recovery for Shiba Inu if the right conditions align. Adding to this bullish sentiment, data from Santiment shows a clear increase in the number of Shiba Inu holders over time, peaking in late April. Even with the price fluctuations, the number of holders has remained relatively stable, indicating ongoing interest and confidence in Shiba from the investor community. This stability points to a strong base of long-term investors, which is encouraging for Shiba's potential, even during price declines. The price volatility we've seen aligns with the descending channel that has been identified, and the recent stabilization in the number of holders could serve as a solid foundation for a potential price recovery. But what is your opinion on that? Comment down below. I'd be eager to read your opinion. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.